Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make GIFs using VLC Media Player without installing any extra software. Yes, VLC can actually do that, but the option is a bit hidden. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer, click on Media, then choose Open File, and select the video you want to turn into a GIF. Play the video and pause it close to the part you want to convert. Now go to Tools, then Preferences, or just press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. At the bottom left, change Show Settings from Simple to All, then on the left side, scroll down and click on Video, then Filters. Click the box next to Scene Video Filter, then click on Scene Filters below it to open the settings. Here you can choose where the images will be saved on your computer, select the image format to PNG or JPEG, and choose a recording ratio like one image every frame or every few frames. You can also set a file name prefix to keep settings organized. Click Save to apply the changes, then close the Preferences window. Now play the video again from the exact point you want, and VLC will start capturing frames automatically as images. Set the clip play for a few seconds, then stop the video. Go to the folder you selected, and you will see a sequence of images saved there, which are the frames that will become your GIF. Now you need to turn these images into a GIF using an online tool or a GIF creator app. Upload the images in order, set the speed you want, and create the GIF. If the GIF looks too fast, lower the frame rate during creation, and if it's too slow, increase the frame rate or remove some frames. Once you're happy with the result, download your final GIF. This method gives you full control over quality and timing, and it works with almost any video format VLC can play. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.